Today's recipe is going to be Guyanese five-finger juice, also known as starfruit. I will show you guys step by step how to make this delicious juice, and I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up, and also please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video. And you guys can follow me on Instagram and on Facebook at cookingwithafton. Alright? All my measurements and ingredients will also be in the description box down below. So let me just show you my ingredients for my Guyanese five-finger juice. Enjoy! So these are my ingredients for my Guyanese five-finger juice. Some people call it starfruit. So these are my five-finger here. These are frozen. I just took them out of the freezer. And we have some brown sugar, some lime juice, and some essence. So let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is peel the ends like this. You're going to peel all of the ends just like this. Just like this. Alright, so when you finish peeling off the ends, you're going to pinch off a piece like this. And in order to blend it in the blender, you need to cut it up. So you're going to cut it up in small pieces, just like this. Mine are frozen because I just took them out of the freezer, right? So you're going to cut them up just like this. And when I finish cutting it up, I'll show you guys the next step. Okay guys, so as you can see here, I finished cut up all my five-finger. So what I'm going to do now, I have a blender here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pour some water. I'm going to pour some lime juice. I'm going to pour some essence. And I'm going to pour some sugar. I'm going to do this in batches. Probably 2 times I'll be doing it. And I'm going to pour in my five-finger. And we're going to blend it up. Alright? I'll do it in 2 batches. So, we'll be back. So I'm going to blend it up now, okay? So here goes. Okay, so my five-fingers finished blending up. So I'm going to strain it and let you guys see. So I have a strainer here, so I'm going to strain it out. You're going to take a spoon and you're going to just keep stirring it until everything dissolves, alright? So now I'm going to blend up the other set, so we'll be back. Okay guys, so I done strain out my five-finger and my 5-star juice. So we're going to do now, I have a mug here. I have a mug here. So we're going to do, you're going to pour it out. Pour the juice into the mug. Just like this. Perfect. And then I'm going to put some into a glass. I have some leaf back here, so I'm going to pour it into the glass here. It's already cold, guys, because remember I told you guys I had this in the freezer. So it's cold. So I'm going to taste it on camera and let you guys see. Okay guys, so this is the end results for my Guyanese five-finger juice, also known as starfruit. So I'm going to taste it on camera and let you guys see. So this is my juice here. So I'm going to pour out a little bit. Just like this. And I'm going to taste it for you guys. So here goes. This is my five-finger juice. Wow. This juice is so delicious, guys. You guys really need to try this recipe. Oh my god, it's so delicious. Wow. So try my recipe. Leave a comment down below and tell me how you guys one came out as well. Alright? And don't forget to please subscribe to my channel. You can click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video. And also please subscribe to my channel. Alright? So, and you guys can follow me on Instagram at cookingwithafton and on Facebook at cookingwithafton as well. Alright? So take care guys, and see you in the next video, and stay safe. Bye.